Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we are based in Adobe Photoshop and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show some cool stuff. What I'd like to do today guys is show you how to create the expensive lens effect within Adobe Photoshop, a really cool idea that you can apply to your imagery. And what I'd love for you to do is take the steps that I show you today, implement them into your designs, and I guarantee you'll be able to create some really fresh and modern looking pieces of work. As you can see here, I've got this image of this lovely lady. And what I'd like to do is apply the effect to this particular image. So first of all, what I would like to do is I would like to convert this image into a smart object. The reason is because when we apply a filter, which I'm going to be doing very shortly, it's always wise to apply it to a smart object, because what will happen then is you will then get a smart filter. And the benefit of using a smart filter is that you can edit and change and manipulate later down the line. With my image here, what I'm going to simply do is right click on that image. Let me just sort of unlock the layer there and go right click, and we have the option to convert this into a smart object. We know that this is a smart object because we can see this little thumbnail icon on the thumbnail here. With that layer highlighted, I'm now going to go to filter, blur gallery, and we're going to use iris blur. What happens here, you get this circle or oval in this instance, and I'm just going to manipulate it just to focus on the area that I would like it to not blur in a sense. I'm just going to move it there. We can move this down a little bit, really sort of like just following the shape of the lady's face. And with the keyboard shortcut option for Mac users or Alt for Windows users, I can move these little dots here and basically dictate where the blur will start. Let's say around here will do. And then you have your little blur option at the top here. And if I increase that blur, like so, as you can see, I'm really creating that nice effect. So now if I press OK, just persevere with it, guys. Like so. And as you can see there, I've created that really cool, expensive lens effect. And as you can also see, we've applied a smart filter to that. If I turn that on and off, it shows you the result. And there you have it, guys. That's how you create the expensive lens effect within Adobe Photoshop. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care and see you next time.